Picture yourself in the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Ridgeline that's ready to handle rugged adventure in smooth, thoughtful style. Loaded with smart tech, clever storage solutions, and ingenious creature comforts, this hardworking pickup with an upscale feel is at home wherever your journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.